Hey, I'm a cuckoo bird. Me and my friends are just chilling out. Friends, come on. Hey, how you doing? Good. Today's a tiring day. How? I have 2 black eyes. What do you think? I always have tiring days. Well, so I'm just making a YouTube video. Okay, sure, why not? Go ahead and make a YouTube video. Why not? I am gonna go in a room. That was awkward. Anyway, we have a nest that I can sit on, yay. Okay, so since I'm tired, I want to sit on a nest. And so, anyway, here we are with another one of my friends, since the other one was just being awkward. Say hi, you're on a YouTube video right now. Oh, how you doing, people? Hi. Oh, come on. All my friends are just being weird. What do you mean? I'm not being weird. Well, whatever. Now you're not. You were. Well, okay. See you soon on Jackie Dukeham's next video. Make sure you go to the channel so you can see the next video of us. Bye.